So I wanted to talk to you today about fruit. I defeated soursop. I got some fresh strawberries from the supermarket. So you use what you have, okay? Mangoes are in season for us here. Dragon fruits are everywhere. These are the type of bananas that are locally and not sprayed that we tend to use. Dragon fruit, which a lot of you might see in the supermarket, as well as this one is a mummy apple. Okay, so this one has the taste of apricot. Okay, actually, in some of the other islands, they call it apricot. But today, I thought that we could use a dragon fruit as well as the soursop. Okay, it would also give an extremely rich color. And I like to be able to see those antioxidants. So look at this. That is beautiful. All right. So I didn't want to overwhelm you with too many different variations today. Um, but hopefully everybody is still following along well. Right? I'm going to use half of it because I want to put in some sour sauce.